Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 5.1 question number 14. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. Number 1. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. Number 2. Adjacent complementary angles. Number 3. Equal supplementary angles. Number 4. Unequal supplementary angles. Number 5. Adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Right? We'll find all the angles. The first one is obtuse vertically opposite angles. The first one is obtuse vertically opposite angles. We know that obtuse vertically opposite angles means greater than 90 degree, right? We know that obtuse obtuse vertically opposite angle obtuse vertically opposite angles obtuse vertically opposite angles means the angles which are which are greater than 90 degree, which are than greater than 90 degree, and they are vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite. In the figure you see that the angle should be greater than 90 and they should be vertical, right? Vertical opposite. Now here you see this angle BOC. That angle BOC, angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Here you see that both the angles are greater than 90 degree and they are also vertically opposite, right? This is solution of question number 1. Now question number 2 is adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles. What is the meaning of that? Adjacent complementary angles means adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles. What is that? Adjacent complementary angles means that complementary angles means that adjacent complement means that angles have common vertex, that angles should have common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms, non-common arms, non-common arms are on either side on either side of the common arm, either side of the common arm, either side of the common arm. That is adjacent complementary angles. Here we will find that adjacent complementary angles, right, and the sum of their angles is 90 degree, and the sum of their angles, sum of their angles, the sum of their angles should be 90 degree, should be 90 degree, right. Here you see, right, here you see that this angle AOB, right, that is angle AOB. Here we will satisfy all the conditions. Here first we will find that the sum of the angles should be 90 degree. Therefore, from the figure we find that angle AOB, that angle AOB that angle angle AOB plus angle AOE plus angle AOE is equal to 90 degree, right. Here also you see that O is the common vertex. O is the common vertex. O is the common vertex. O is the common vertex, right. And here you see that AO is the common arm. AO is the common arm. AO is the common arm, right. This is condition 1. This is condition 2. This is condition 3. And condition 4 is, this is condition 4. What is condition? That is, the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. The non-common arms, that is, the non-common arms, non-common arms, that is BO and OE are on either side, side of OA, right. You satisfy all the condition. The first one is that the angle should be 90 degree, therefore angle AOB and angle AOE are 90 degree, and there also, therefore we can say that angle AOB and AOE are adjacent complementary angles. Therefore we can say that angle AOE and angle AOE and angle AOB are complementary adjacent angles. Why it is complementary? Because angle AOB plus angle AOE is equal to 90 degree. O is the common vertex, AO is the common arm, and the non-common arms, that is BO and OE, are on either side of the common arm OA, right. This is the solution of question number 2. Now we will solve question number 3. Now what is question number 3? You see, question number 3 is, Question number 3 is, here you see, equal supplementary angles, right? Question number 3 is equal supplementary angles. Equal supplementary angles means the angles should be equal and the sum of the angles should be 90 degree. What is the meaning? The meaning of equal supplementary angles means equal supplementary angles, equal supplementary angles means their angles are equal, and the sum of their angles and the sum of their angles should be 180 degree. Now from the figure we are finding that angle BOE is equal to angle EOD, and the angles are, all the angles are 90 degree, right? Then the angles are equal, that is 90 degree, and sum, or you find, you see the angle BOE plus angle EOD is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree, that comes to 180 degree, right? That is equal supplementary angles means their angles are equal, that is both the angles are 90 degree and the sum should be 180 degree, therefore 90 plus 90 is 180 degree, right? Both the conditions are satisfied here. Now question number 4. Here you see question number 4 is unequal supplementary angles. Unequal, the angles are not equal, right? Therefore let us find unequal supplementary angles. That is question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see, question number 4 is unequal supplementary angles. First of all, we'll find what is the meaning of that. Unequal supplementary angles means that the angles are unequal and sum of the angles is 180 degree. What is the meaning of this line? That is unequal supplementary angles. Unequal supplementary angles. Unequal supplementary angles. Unequal supplementary angles means sum of the angles, sum of the angles should be 180 degree and supplement angles are unequal and supplement angles are unequal. Now we'll find all the angles. Here is I see, that is angle AOE and EOC. AOE angle AOE and angle EOC EOC. Here you see in this case that this angle AOE is not equal to angle EOC and the sum is 180 degree. Why? Because angle AOE and EOC lie in a straight line, right? Or also you can say that angle AOE plus angle EOC is equal to 180 degree. And also angle AOE is not equal to angle EOC. This is first pair, right? Now we will find the second pair, that is angle AOD and DOC. Angle AOD and DOC. Angle AOD and angle DOC. Angle DOC. Here you see angle AOD and angle DOC. Here you see that angle AOD, is not equal to angle DOC, right? And also angle AOD plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. Now sees another pair we see here is AOB and BOC. AOB angle AOB and angle BOC. Here also you see that angle AOB is not equal to angle BOC. And also angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because the angles are on a straight line. The reason is the angles are on a straight line. The angles are on a straight line, right? This angle plus this angle is 180 degree and this angle is not equal to this angle. That is the sum. That is the meaning of this angle. That unequal supplementary angles means the sum of the angles would be 180 degree and supplement angles are unequal, that is not equal, right? Here you see that AOE and EOC. AOE is not equal to EOC and angle AOE is equal to plus angle EOC is equal to 180 degree because the angles are on a straight line. Angle AOD and angle DOC. Angle AOD is not equal to angle DOC and angle AOD plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because the angles are on a straight line. And another pair is angle AOB and angle BOC. Angle AOB is not, here you see that angle AOB this angle and angle BOC this angle. These are not equal, right? That angle AOB is not equal to angle BOC and angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree because the angles are on a straight line. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.